Alright guys, I think we're going to try to change out the tires to the Rubicon. So as you can tell, the factory tires have seen better days. Well, I picked up some Zillows the other day. They are for a straight rear axle, so we're going to check it out and see if it'll even fit, but see what we can do. Right there. Pretty much inside the fender well. So I got them on. They're definitely wider than preferred, but we already own them. Let's do the front. Alright, we are fully bolted up. Sticks out pretty good. Straight rear axle to IRS. I mean, kind of knew it was going to happen a little bit. Let's see how far. Let's see what we got. About maybe 3 inches, 2.5 inches. Outside the wheel well. Yeah, which makes sense because it's 3-inch offset on the rims. So that's what we got for now though, guys. Let's see what we can do with it. Let's see what we got. I'll tell you right now, it rides way worse in terms of quality. Dang. Gotta love an aggressive tire. Need to trim these trails. Pretty solid. Let's go see what they got going on with the bridge. Going for like 3 months they've been working on this thing. Blows my mind. Looks like it's gonna be concrete though, all the way across. Some good scrap wood over there. Look at that. Shoot, I'm gonna have to ask them if I can have that. We're getting some progression here. Check it out. Can cross right here now, so that's nice. Let's see if I can get my brother to come over and ride. Purring like a kitten. Oh yeah. It's nice to own something again. Backing it up. Ooh, brakes work. Like that. 2 Hondas. Yes. Oh yeah. Catch you here next time.